Hello, it's Nita here, and today I'm going to dye my hair using Palty's hair color, and it's Caramel Latte. So this is the side of the box, and it has instructions, and this is the back of the box. This time I have my roots have grown, and it's like about this color, and the bottom part of my hair is about this color. So maybe I'll end up with this color, I hope, because I want this color. This is the color that it shows on the top, which I think is really nice, but I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm going to start with my roots first because my roots are darker, and with Palty I found that that's best. This is the lightening power, and this is the shininess power, I guess. 3 out of 5 and 3 out of 5. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box and show you what's inside. Okay, this is the hair treatment, and you leave this in overnight, and you do this after you dye your hair. This is the instruction book, and it folds out. This is the hair color. This is the activator. So we've got to mix these two together, shake it, and then you can put this cap on. This is like the gloves, and I think it's like a hair net, but I don't use it. And I don't use this one either because I have curly hair and my hair gets really tangled, and this doesn't do anything for me. Like, it doesn't work. It doesn't cover all my hair for me. So it's just because I have curly hair. It does my nails. It's Dior. It's the new Dior for 2012 spring color. I forgot what it's called, but I'll say what it is later. Ta-da! Palty. Okay, so I'll dye my hair for you, and I'll show you how it is. Hello. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the activator. It says OX water on it, actually. Oh, it means oxide water. I just read the back. Okay, and I'm gonna take the cap off, and it's like that. And I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to pour all of this into here. I'm just gonna get as much of it as I can out of this tube. Like that and that, and I'm gonna close this and shake, and then I'm just gonna open it, and I'm gonna start putting it on my hair, and I'm gonna start with the roots. Okay, what I do is really weird. I'm not normal because I just use my hands. I don't use the gloves or anything. But I've never ever had problems with Palty, even the old versions of Palty. Like 10 years ago, I was using Palty, and I never had problems with it staining my hair, or sorry, staining my skin. And I found it easier because I have curly hair and it's all like tangled. Today it doesn't look that curly, but trust me, it's curly and gets tangled and knotty and stuff. So, and I just start. Okay, so, and then I'll see you in 55 more minutes or 1 hour. Hi, so this is me. It's about 2 or 3 days after I dye my hair, and here's the color. So the ends, like I told you, my ends were lighter before. It's pretty even though. I'm actually pleased because they came out pretty even. I ended up only keeping the hair dye in for 30 minutes, and I should let you know that I have very thin, very dry and curly hair, and it tends to be really fragile too. But yeah, so my hair kind of soaks up color, like hair dye, really quickly. So for this one, I think it's a pretty powerful one, Caramel Latte, because I just needed 30 minutes, and usually I do keep it in for 40 or yeah, even longer sometimes. So yeah, it lightened my hair color a bit, and It's a brown color. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.